In today's data centers, security is the backbone of operational integrity. Precision at every access point is non-negotiable. One unchecked badge swipe, one unlocked rack, one moment of human error, and your entire credibility is blown. From unauthorized access to insider threats, from legacy system gaps to audit blind spots, the physical layer of security is often the most overlooked until it fails. Which is where our specifier comes in, your unseen strategist, the one who understands that doors in your data center are not just access points. They're security perimeters, thermal boundaries, and fire breaks. The specifier doesn't just select hardware, they design and orchestrate defense. Because when every rack, every zone, every door matters, you need someone who sees the whole picture. ASSA ABLOY brings global specification expertise, advanced opening technologies, and digital access systems, all designed and built to meet the evolving demands of modern data centers. From initial planning to final install, we work with you to ensure every opening performs by code, by design, and by necessity. Now, Openings Studio, our specification platform, helps design, visualize, and validate all your door and hardware selections in real time. Then add in layers of compliance, and you're not just building infrastructure, you're building trust. Whether it's fire resistance, perimeter protection, access control, doors and locks, docking and delivery, or energy efficiency and sustainability, every detail is considered, every system is integrated, every product is curated, because in a data center, there are no small decisions. We know every second of downtime costs money, and any breach costs trust, which is why at ASSA ABLOY, we are there to prevent both. With multi-layered protection, sustainable performance, and future-ready tools, the specifier ensures you and your data remain secure, providing you with complete data center access control.